Waiting ng transport mga kadungers. Sa ilalim ng puno. Marami ng dahon ulit siya kasi magwi-winter na. Ayan, dati kalbo-kalbo yan eh. Dito na tayo. Dito na tayo sa mall ng DFC, Doha Festival City, guys. Palamig muna tayo. Tanghali, medyo mainit-init pa, guys. Pero pag hapon na, wala na. Malamig na yung hangin. Hello guys, what's up guys? So waiting kami ng briefing. Dito yung ating
Sawadika!
Sawadikap! Lapnoy, lakhay! Shout out kay Juday. Bising-bisihan si Juday doon, no? Nag-iisang magandang dilag ng Mindanao.
Si Lori.
Si Lori ba yan?
Si Juday ayun.
Ando pala si Juday. Shout out kala ko si Juday. Sila yung ating mga kautotan dila dito mga kadungers. Nagmumula sa bayan ng Novaliches. Saan ko nga ba?
Taga Maynila po ako.
Taga Bulacan.
Ito po yung taga Novaliches.
Sino
Taga Mandaluyong to.
walang tumama sa akin guys. Walang tumama.
Parang mali-mali yung address namin.
Ano masasabi mo sa weather condition kagabi? Malamig na ba?
Malamig kasi bukas yung AC ko. Becky.
Sa'yo?
Ano siya babae?
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog.
Siya na yan si Juday.
Ito na po talaga si Juday. Siya po yung tunay.
Pajal, gom? Bye-bye. Ito yung PM shop ngayon. Break agad yan. Break agad.
Ganito kami sa Qatar.
Break agad.
May sanjung.
Yes, yes.
We'll go break. After briefing, we'll go break. What you are gonna do? What you are gonna do and
I need rice cooker.
titingin daw siya ng rice cooker kasi may promo daw and the Monoprix, no?
Yeah,
So
sure.
we're going to
If
check
it's
it
good
out.
Price, yeah, sure.
We're going to check it out over there and let's find out.
Ready to open?
Touchless yung elevator. Yung elevator dito guys, touchless guys, ano ba? Lower ground.
Don't press.
No, I'll try.
Yeah, it will work. Yes, there. Yes.
Yeah. Touchless guys. It's nice. High tech.
But I don't need this.
So, mayroon nga promotion guys yung rice cooker.
Okay.
Maganda.
Yes.
Nutri-Cook. Tasita Nutri-Cook. Ito guys, mga coffee machine guys, oh. Gan ba to? Black and Decker, 119. Ayan.
Small rice cooker. For one person or two people.
This one, 1 liter. 18 ml. It's good for 1 or 2.
Oh, yan jog, oh. 1 liter jog. Okay na yan jog.
You have the on promotion or something?
No. This is sharp. It's a good brand.
Only 89 jog.
I have the same.
You have this.
It's carbon already. That's
Carbon
okay.
already.
Same I have.
Yan, labay
Same
na.
brand?
Same. Same. I don't know, suddenly it stopped working. No? I was thinking maybe it will come in the 50.
Ah,
Yeah, some are coming. Bro.
from Almira below, there is 60.
Right?
But depends on the brand, maybe.
Yeah, that is also true. But
Maybe
because anyway it will work for some months. Maybe
Nikon,
years,
Nikon.
It's too expensive, I think.
This one is
New
sharp,
Pro
sharp.
like that.
Sharp, good, good
Anyway,
brand.
I'll just check with my
10 years to use, not broken.
Japan.
Balak niyang bumili, pang single lang pala. Solo, sira na yung nasira yung kanyang rice cooker. Yan lang yung pinakamaliit na, sir, no? That is the smallest one, bro. Don't think about it, buy it. You have salary. Salary is waving, coming na pala. Let's see. Think about 2 minutes. Let's roaming around and come back. Nag-iisipan pa. May mga grocery talaga na medyo may kamahalan yung paninda. So depende sa grocery. Kasi itong pinuntahan namin medyo ano to eh. Medyo mamahalin, monoprix. Bukod dun sa mga ibang tindahan na like Carrefour. Ha? This side. Carrefour medyo mura-mura doon, maraming promotion. Almira, mga ganun. Dito, monoprix. It's ano different. Medyo may kamahalan siya. Naghahanap siya ng ballpen. Maraming mga jars or anuhan bottled water. Oh. Medyo may kamahalan. Tag $155 or reals. May 179. Grabe. Ang dami guys, napaka ano, medyo may kamahalan lang. May normal naman 85, tapos may maliit 53, mahal din. Mga ano dito, supplies, school supplies, office supplies. Why are you going to buy pen?
Yeah.
Why?
Just use.
We have too much ball pen in admin.
No, I need separate.
Ako may ballpen ako ng sarili. I have my own ballpen. Ang dami dito. Energizer. 45 reals all po 618. Ito, maganda to ngayon ng kumot. Pang ano guys. Taglamig na. Mayroong 35, mayroong 17. 35 itong malaki. Jog, 35 is the biggest one, right?
35?
35 real, the biggest one, and then the smaller one.
What are these? Flow?
This is
Throw?
blanket. Yeah, kumot, blanket throw, same right?
Throw.
So kukunin na daw niya yung rice cooker na 1 liter. Napag-isip-isip siya. Sira na kasi yung rice cooker niya, wala na siyang pagkagamitan. So ngayon, ikot-ikot kami at naisipan niya na kukunin na lang daw niya. Ito yun oh, sharp. Call, take this 89. Take
Just ask if you have another one.
last piece. Hey, call that's that one.
Ask please. Ask one thing.
Sir, I have customer. Have customer.
Tell him pre.
Steamer jog.
Singer? This one, ask till our sir.
Hmm? May mga steamer din dito, plancha, madami-dami din oh. Plancha, yan, 109, 129, 85 pinakamalit. Tapos yung steamer niya, the small one, 1 liter. This one.
Yeah, take this one. Okay, give it to me, please.
Nothing else? I mean,
Else in it?
you said that you have a new one. This is the last piece.
Yeah, this is not the last bit, but the new one.
This is same new.
Yeah, same.
Same.
And it has 1 year warranty. So in case of any problem,
Yeah, warranty. Okay, thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Babayaran niya na. Kukunin niya na at babayaran niya. Solve problem.
1 hour later.
Magkape muna tayo mga kadungers. Nag-coffee break lang ako. Wala masyadong customer guys. Alas 10 na ng gabi. Kaya paalam muna ako sa aking supervisor na makapag-refresh kape. Nasa likod lang tayo ng ano guys, no? Ayan. May mga upuan dito, ayan. Dito nag-iusi break yung mga tao.
1 hour later.
Ayan guys, let's go home na. Already 12 o'clock. Masalama.
Go big! Uwi na.
Uwi na kami guys, alas 12 na. So ngayon pa lang kami uwi, 12 AM or early morning. So pauwi pa lang kami. Bye guys!
No, bye.
Bert, bye Bert!
Good night.
Let's go Bert! Tapos na naman ang isang araw. Ay salamat sa Diyos at nakaraos ang isang araw. Lagi.
He's my best friend. How are you? All good?
I'm sleeping.
He's sleeping today.
I'm sleeping.
Tomorrow same what shift?
Closing again tomorrow.
Closing again tomorrow?
Until 12 midnight.
Same my team.
Kahit madaling araw na, marami pa rin tao sa mall. Papalamig sila kasi weekend na kasi, Waybis, tapos kinabukasan, weekends na guys, so Friday, Saturday, yan. So marami na naman tao to bukas kasi madalas nagpapalamig sila sa loob ng mall. Kasi wala namang ibang libangan, bahay, trabaho din mall. Hindi ka, go home now? Finish duty?
We are finished duty.
What time you start duty in the morning?
12.
12 to 12?
12 to 12.
12 hours guys.
Yeah, 12 hours, guys.
The working, this is our
Very hard work today.
too much
delivery.
katsara, too much delivery. No?
Yeah.
Ano sila yung mga ano namin mga custodian, yan, custodian. Agency sila. So, where are your transport?
Transport.
You said-
Yeah. He said like, yeah.
He is from Nepal. So, how's Nepal now? Good? All good?
Yeah, now good.
Mashallah. So, bye-bye.
Bye bye.
See ya.
Bye, see you. Like, subscribe.
Dami kong mga kasamahan na ibang lahi. May Nepal, may Sri Lanka, Egyptian, Indian, may mga Bangladesh pa, yung ibang tsaka Uganda, ganyan, dami naman guys. Uganda, Ethiopia, somewhere in Africa din, marami. So halo-halo kami dito. Ayan. So nandito na lang guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong support. And see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye.